Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about AnyDesk. So what is this AnyDesk? Actually, let's talk about this in this video. So before we are going into the video, I will show you something. So to perform this AnyDesk application software, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to introduce my new desk. I'm just kidding guys, let's go back to the laptop. Okay, AnyDesk. So what is this AnyDesk? When we're talking about AnyDesk, the powerful remote assistant software, whether you are in office, next door, or and the other side of the world, remote access via AnyDesk makes the connection possible, secure and reliable for IT professionals as well as private users. And AnyDesk offers a wide range of remote desktop functions such as file transfer, remote printing, and work online, and much more. So let's quickly go to the video and look how to install AnyDesk and how to connect a computer from another computer. So let's quickly go to the video. Okay guys, let's get started. First you will go to your web browser, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and search for AnyDesk free download for Windows 10, and you click the first link, and there are several OSs that you can download: Windows, iOS, Linux, Android. You can download for anything, so just need to click that download now button. And okay guys, that's it for today. So see you another next week how to connect two computers.